Good afternoon, everyone. This is Abid Khan, and you are watching Karachi Academy YouTube channel. So we are doing CIE past papers. So we have selected AS level accounting, MCQ based papers, uh, accounting 9706 and paper 1 and its version 2. We have selected the latest attempt of 2022, attempt 2022, May June attempt 2022. We have done with question 10, so we will now do onward question 11 and onward. So move on to question 11. Question number 11. On what basis does our trading business produce an income statement? Number one, cash received and paid out by the business. No. So this is cash basis. So in accounting, we do not maintain accounts on cash basis. We maintain all our accounts, bookkeeping, is financial statements are maintained based on accrual concept basis. So this is not applicable. So income earned less cost incurred by the business. Yes, income earned and cost. So this is true. Revenue received less just 1 minute. So revenue received, okay, less any, no, not revenue received. Again, received is cash basis. So revenue which is earned, whether it is received or not. So this is also wrong. So the question 2 option is very much correct. So your answer will be 2. Why not 3? Because it is saying revenue earned and it is not, revenue received less any cash paid, no cash paid, expenses incurred and revenue earned, either it is received or not. Expenses incurred, either they are paid or not. So only option number 2. So move on to 12. What 12 says? Move on to 12. Question number 12. Yes. So this is question number 12. What question 12 says? A business provides the following information. Revenue 140,000, opening inventory 22,000, closing inventory 24,500, purchases 120,000. Goods are sold at cost plus 25%. Means this is markup based. It means your cost is 100% and you are charging markup at 25% of cost. Then your sales is 1.125%. 125% means 1.25. So your sales will be this much, 125%. Okay. Then what? The owner has taken goods for own use but has not recorded. So this is drawing of goods, drawing in the form of goods. So he has drawn this but has not recorded. What is the value of the goods taken for own use? So the amount of drawing we have to calculate here. So this is a very easy type of question. So number 1 we know very well. So they are asking you to prepare how much was the drawing. Okay, number 1 we know cost is 100%, markup is 25% of cost, and this is sales which is 125%, right? Then so this is 125%. revenue sales is given to you. You can work out how much is cost of sales. Means this is cost of sales plus markup equals to sales. We know sales, if you want to work out this 100%, simply divide sales by its percentage. Its percentage is 125. This will give you cost, means cost of sales. Cost means cost of sales, this will give you. So how much is sales? Means revenue, this is 140,000. Divide this by 125%, 140,000 by 1.25. So just 1 minute. $140,000 divided by 1.25 or 125%, 112. So cost of sales is 112,000. Now we know when we prepare income statement, how it is made up. I think this screen is creating some problem. Let me try to fix it. Okay, then your revenue is 140,000. You have to deduct cost of sales, and we know cost of sales is how much. How we work out cost of sales? Just 1 minute. I think there are some technical problem. Opening is given to you is 20, inventory 22,000. Then you will add purchases. Purchases are 120,000. So then you will 120,000. Then you will deduct drawings. The drawing, you do not know what is the drawing, but you have to deduct it. But you have to deduct this drawing. There is some problem with this. Okay. You have to plus this and minus drawing, and then you less closing stock. That will also be deducted. So if you deduct this, closing stock is 24,500. Then your cost of sales will come. This will be your cost of sales. But cost of sales you already have. Cost of sales you already have, and that is cost of sales is you have worked out 112. If you deduct cost of sales minus 140,000, 28,000 is your gross profit. This is your GP, right? But this 112 you already have. This is 125% of sales, not 125% sales divided by 125%. Okay, you just to know one thing. You have 112,000 of cost of sales. You have 112,000 of cost of sales. how you are working this out? Plus opening plus purchases minus drawings minus closing. So when you have 112, you reverse this process. The 112, then deduct this, add this, deduct. You reverse the process, and you will get the drawing. So this is 112,000. From this, you add the closing. In normal process you deduct it. Now in reversal process you should add it. Like purchases you add them, so you should deduct them. Opening is added, you have to deduct it. So this is the reverse process. 112, then plus closing inventory of 24,500, then minus 120,000, and then minus 22,000. So 5,500. This is basically your drawing. 5,500. This will be your drawing. So your answer will be A, 5,500. Right? I think this is having some problems. So let me, before starting question number 13 and 14, let me fix this issue. The screen is not it's not stationary, static. So let me fix this issue. Thank you very much, and bye for now.